Hi everyone, welcome to G'ay Language Training Center video class. Assalamu alaykum savatdoshlar. G'ay til tarbiyalash markazimizniki sin darsligiga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Hamda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz nima desanglar? New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 105, Full of Mistakes. Hamda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz eng muhim ingliz birinchi qism 105-darsniki Full of Mistakes. All right. Andaqda qarab bakыңlar ballar resimga. Okay, look at these funny pictures. Okay. Look at this. Endi qarab bakыңlar, buningda bir o'xshamaydigan, qanday bir qiziqarli ishlar bor ekan. O'zingizlar bakыңlar. Masalan, birinchi resimga. Bu nima xatgana yo'ldiki? School shunami? Okay. Mush tadqiqotchilarniki, mush tadqiqotga asoslanganda, mush odam masalan xat o'qiganda, bular ingliz so'z o'qiganda, mush birinchi harfi bilan oxirgi harfiga asosan shu xatni farq etgancha. Ham jiqlamasdan school deydi shuni, lekin endi men bir xatolik bor. Nima desanglar, school degan harf qanday qilib qolgan, h bilan c harfi olmishib qolgan. Yeah. Okay. Spelling mistake shunami? Endi ikkinchi rasmda-chi. Okay, qarab baksanglar, men yerga we buy degan b u y midi? Goodbye deb buy olib qolgan, shu xatolik. All right, and keyingisi masalan Hillary Clinton niki so'zlab o'tgan makeyndiki deklaratsiyasida tomorrow degan xat qanday qilib qolgan, xato yozilib qolgan. Demakchi, bular nima ekan desanglar, spelling mistakes. All right. Ana qaranglar, spell. Okay. Spelling mistake. And the spell degan nima desanglar? Spell degan nima desanglar? Okay, if you spell, it means like you say or write in or. Demakchi shu so'zlarni yozish tartibi yoki ajlash shunami? Biz odatda ismingiz degan ekan, ismingizni ajlab bera olamsiz degan nima deymiz? Can you spell your name? Can you spell your name? Okay. Spell your name. And then yerga mistake, spelling mistake. Shunami? Mistake deganimiz xatolik. Something wrong. Okay, spelling mistake bo'lsin bo'ldi desanglar. Shu so'zning yozishdagi, shu ajlashdagi nimasi xatolikligi. Okay. I can't spell it. Okay, endi men yerga I can't spell it degan nima desanglar, men uni qanday qila olmayman? Shu tartibini yozamayman yoki izlayolmayman shunaqa. How do you spell English? Okay, is there anybody can spell English? Biz ingliz tilini izlab bo'lganimizda savolashlar. Okay. All right, amsa qarab qarag'an bo'lsak, can you spell this name? Siz bu ismni qanday qila olamsiz? Ajlab bera olamsiz? Okay. Amsa keyingisi qarab qarag'an bo'lsak, savolashlar. It is not my mistakes. Endi u bo'lsa nima? Mening nima emas, xatoliqim emas. Okay, my mistake, mening xatoliqim, shunami? He always makes mistake. And the mistake der xatolik. Endi buningki turaqliq shakli nima? Make mistakes. Xatolik o'tkazmak. Shunami? U doim qanday qildi? Xatolik o'tkazadi. Okay. And there are a lot of mistakes here. Bu yerda nurg'un nimalar bor, xatoliklar bor, shunami? Why do you often make mistakes? Bu sen nima doim qanday qilsa xatolik o'tkazsa? Okay. And keyingisi qarab baqsaq, intelligent. Okay. Intelligent. O'qanday qilgan? Intelligent. All right. And the intelligent degan nima? To learn and understand things quickly. Bir narsani o'rganish hamda tushunishni intayin tez tushunadigan, tez o'rganadigan odam bo'lsin. Bu emas intelligent. Masalan, the boy is intelligent. Bu o'g'il bola bo'lsa qanday? Intayin aqlliq. Okay. Undaqda bu intelligentniki ma'no so'zlardan nima desanglar? Clever, okay, smart or bright. Demakchi, ma'lum bir odamni sifatlamoqchi bo'lsanglar, sizlar clever, smart, bright deb shu yoki intelligent deb ishlasanglar bo'ldi. Demak, intelligent to learn and understand things quickly. Good job. And so let's qaranglar. Keyingisi qarab qarag'an bo'lsak, present. Okay. But present nimaga desanglar gift. Shunami? What is this? It's present. It's gift, right? Okay, yoki mana shunaqa. And present gift deganda, hamda mana bir gap bor. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift. Shunami? Tunugim bo'lsa tarix. Ati bo'lsa bir sir. Okay, bugün bo'lsa bir sovg'at. Shunga so that's why we call today is a present. Shunami? Shunga ashqan biz bugunni, demakchi hozirni shu present deb atashimizlik sabab. Demakchi ma present deganning ma'nosi savolashlar. Sovg'atdan deyishdan sirт, ya'ni ma'nosi hozir deb ma'nosi bor. Demakchi sizlarning hozirgi vaqtinglar, mush vaqtinglar sizlar uchun intayin katta bir nima dersanglar, present. Nima ekan? Present. Good. Present. All right. And so, keyingisi qarab bag'alsa I have a present for you. Okay. I have bar present for you. Siz uchun mening bir sovg'atim bor. Okay. Okay. And do you want to have a present? Sizning bir sovg'at olgingiz bormi? He likes birthday present. U o'zining tug'ilgan kun sovg'atini qanday qildi? Yoqtirdi. Okay. This present is for me. Bu sovg'at kim uchun? Men uchun. Men uchun. Okay, good. Okay. Anaqa qaranglar. Dictionary. All right? Dictionary. Xo'sh, endi dictionary nima ekan saqlashlar? Masalan, rasmda ko'rish borda Oxford English Dictionary. Dictionary degan nima? Lug'at. A book that gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explain what they mean. Shu alifbelik tartib bo'yicha so'zlar berilgan hamda uning nima izohati bo'lgan narsani shu kitobni nimlaymiz dictionary. Lug'at. Okay. A dictionary. Masalan, English dictionary, inglizcha lug'at. English dictionary bo'lsa nima? Ingliz lug'at. Bu demakchi desanlar shu inglizchani ingliz izohlaydigan lug'at bo'lsa English dictionary deymiz. Shuna savolashlarni bo'lsa, ma'lum bosqichdan keyin, masalan, yىڭى inglizcha tugatgandan keyin sizlar bo'lsa, English dictionary ishlatishni qanday qilamiz? Recommend qilamiz, tavsiya qilamiz. Bunda bo'lganda shu so'zlarning ma'nosini intayin aniqlikda tushunisizlar savolashlar. Okay guys, before we start our language focus, first listen carefully, this class listening. Sağlaşlar, bu language focus'ını başlaştığım burun, sizlerine ait dikkat qilib, bu darsninki bir anlash qismini anlasanlar.
Lesson 105. Full of mistakes. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. What was Sandra's present? Where's Sandra, Bob? I want her.
Do you want to speak to her?
Yes, I do. I want her to come to my office. Tell her to come at once.
Did you want to see me?
Ah, yes, Sandra. How do you spell intelligent? Can you tell me?
INTELLIGENT.
That's right. You've typed it with only one L. This letter's full of mistakes. I want you to type it again.
Yes, I'll do that. I'm sorry about that.
And here's a little present for you.
What is it?
It's a dictionary. I hope it'll help you.
All right, have you finished? Good. So let's start from language focus. As qaralım, şu bugünkü teksimiz çıkıda intayim mühim noktalarını bir öğrenip ötsek. And this letter is full of mistake. And the yargı full of. Qaralım, mesela this box is full of eggs. Okay. Mesela this book is full of pictures. Okay, and bir şey qaralım. Full of degeni ma'nosi ma'lum narsa bilan liq to'lgan yoki ma'lum narsaga liq qanday qilingan, qachilangan deganga. Mesela this box is full of eggs. Bu eshikka liq tuxumlar qachilangan. Anaqda this box is full of pictures. Bu kitob liq rasm bilan to'lgan demakchi, rasmjiq demakchi, nima? Okay, and this letter is full of mistakes. Bu xatolik bilan to'shibdi degan gap bo'ldi. Nima? Be full of. Endi of degani talaffuz qanday diqqat qilinglar. Endi bu yerga of talaffuz qilganda of oxiri v bilan telaffuz qilganda of yoki hargizmi of emas, full of. Debanglar, full of. Yaxshi. Amsa keyingisi alright guys, next one is want to do something. Okay, want to do something. And the want to do something degani nima desanglar, ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday qilish xohlash. Masalan, do you want to speak to her? Speak to her, uningga qanday qilish, gap qilmoq yoki shuning bilan paranglashmoq, ko'rishmoq shunaqa. Siz uning bilan ko'rishay deganmi? Okay, did you want to see me? Siz men bilan ko'rishmoqchimidingiz? Ko'rishmoqchi edingizmi? Okay, now I want to go to bookshop. Mening nima ish qilg'im bor? Kitobxonaga, kitob do'koniga borg'im bor. I want to. Shunami? I want to travel around the world. Okay, nima? Meningki dunyoni kezib, dunyoni aylanib sayohat qilg'im bor. I want to do something demakchi, menda qilg'im bor, shuni qilishni xohlamoq degan gap bo'lsa, adashlar. Okay, endi qaranglar. Want somebody to do something. Anda ma'lum bir kishini menda qilib berishni xohlash, umid qilish yoki shunda qiskin deyish. Masalan, I want her, men uni qiskin deyman, nimish qiskin deyman? To come. Qiskin deyman. Naga? To my office. Sağlash diqqat qilishga bo'ldi. Miyarki to birga ismlarning o'rniga kelganda yo'linishni bildirdi. Masalan, g'aqaga, ishxonaga, uyga, maktabga. Endi fe'llarning oldiga kelsa, verb. Fe'llarning oldiga kelsa maqsadni ifodalaydi. Bu ya'ni nima? Men uni mundaq qilgan nimishqa, nima maqsadda? Shu kelishga. Demakki, men uni ishxonamga kelgan deyman. Demakki, men to come, kelish maqsadni ifodalaydi. All right. And I want you to type it again. Sizni qanday qilgan deyman? Qayta bosgan deyman. Okay, I want work and hard work degan aynan tirishib o'qish, ham tirishish. Demakchi, mening ota-onam, my parents, mening ota-onam meni tirishgan deydi. Tushunami? Tirishimni xohlaydi. Okay. All right. Andaqda qarab qo'yinglar bolalar. Tell somebody to do something and ask somebody to do something. Tell somebody to do something degan ma'lum bir odamga ma'lum bir ishni deyish. And ask somebody to do something degan nima? Ask somebody ma'lum bir birisidan ma'lum bir ish qilib berishni qanday qilish, talab qilish degan gap. And me ask to do bo'lsa, shu talab qilmoq bo'lsa, adashlar. Masalan, he told me to put on my hat. Okay, u menga dedi, nima dedi? To put on my hat. O meningki shu posmamni, shlapamni kiyib olishimni qanday qildi? Aytdi, dedi. Shunami? Okay. And he asked me to go with him. And with him, uning bilan mengishimni mendan qanday qildi? Talab qildi. Demak, u o'zi bilan mengishni qanday qildi? So'rdi, talab qildi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. And today we have learned lesson 105, full of mistakes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And if you want to get further information about our class, and you can download our app, like Raya app, and then you can get more information about our class. Thanks. See you.